Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, March 10th. The essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo I'm going to read for you today is called A Game of Seesaw. As always, after the reading, we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. The greatest defense is being who you are. The greatest defense is being who you are. How often we're drawn into opposition with one another. Certainly, there are times that conflict is inevitable. There is only one parking space. There is only one donut left. There is only one job in view. But most of the time, on the inner plane, there is plenty to go around, and it is more a game of seesaw, to keep myself up or to keep my sense of how I see myself up. I somehow feel the need to put you down. This only diverts me from my path and sucks all my energy into a battle that often doesn't matter. In truth, no amount of rearranging the world will make us feel worthy. The only response to adversity or misunderstanding is to be more completely who we are, to share ourselves more. Otherwise, we are always reacting and countering, and never really being. Just look to the flowers and trees. They don't suppress each other. Even when crowded, they show themselves and grow in all directions, and so they make it to the light. Take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Feel your body breathe in and out, in and out. See if you can find a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your breathing, letting all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now consider someone who holds a position opposite to yours. Allow yourself to feel this pull to discredit or invalidate this person and their position. How does this desire to be right, this pull to win, how does it feel in your body, in your heart, in your mind? Now breathe slowly and look for the string of heart that makes you think your opposite views are somehow tied to each other. Use your deepest breathing to cut the string. How does that feel? Is there a bit more freedom in your body, your heart, your mind? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I share myself freely, without fear. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body, and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Remember, the greatest defense is being who you are, sharing yourself more. Look to the nature for the inspiration to not suppress views opposite from yours, but rather share yourself openly to create a dialogue so that all of us can grow in all different directions, so that all of us can make it to the light. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.